So how much Bitcoin did I earn for the month of April? Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, this is the 0 to 1 Bitcoin challenge where I am attempting to earn one entire Bitcoin using the Go mining platform, the Bitcoin credit card, and hopefully soon some other methods as well. And every single month I make this video to show you guys the progress and how much Bitcoin I have earned the previous month. In today's video, we are going to talk about April and why it was extremely low, but we ended up earning a decent amount of Bitcoin. So let's jump straight into the video. As you can see, these are the previous months. We started out with 0 Bitcoin, then every single month we earn more and more Bitcoin, and our total keeps rising. So the first month we had $120 worth of Bitcoin, second month $140, then $569, then $1,700, then $3,900, $3,700, $5,300, $5,900, $6,600, and last month we had a total of $7,000 worth of Bitcoin. And now I'm about to show you exactly how much Bitcoin that I have earned for the month of April. Let me quickly put this to the side. As you can see, for the month of April, I earned a whopping $539.22 worth of Bitcoin. And that is 0.006743444 Bitcoin. Pretty much half of what I earned the previous month. The majority of it came obviously from the Go mining platform and some from the Bitcoin credit card. So the total amount of Bitcoin that I have so far is 0.1091091. That comes out to $8,720.86 worth of Bitcoin. So how did I earn less Bitcoin this month but ended up having a higher total? That is simply because the price of Bitcoin went up. As you can see, from the previous month, we went from $7,000 to $8,700, almost $1,700 more worth of value, even though we only made an extra 500 and some change worth of Bitcoin. So if the price of Bitcoin continues to go higher, let's say to 90,000, 100,000, 110, 120, then this amount will grow in value big time, and we will have thousands of dollars in extra value. Hey, before we get back to the video, let me ask you something. When was the last time you actually shopped around for car insurance? If it has been more than a year, then there's a really good chance that you are leaving real money on the table. Insurance costs change all the time, and loyalty doesn't always pay off. The same coverage could cost significantly different amounts depending on the provider. That is why I want to show you this free comparison tool. You put your information once and it pulls multiple insurance offers so you can compare them side by side. No phone calls, no pressure, just options. Some drivers find that they can save up to hundreds of dollars a year by simply comparing. It takes just a few minutes and it won't cost you anything to look. The link is in the description below. Go and check your options. You might be surprised what you find there. The majority of the Bitcoin earned for the previous month came from the Go mining platform. As you can see, my power continues to grow. I currently have 535.45 terahashes, and we are about to get even more by simply upgrading our greedy machine. So we are going to press custom, we are going to press other, and we are going to press, let's say, 12 extra terahashes. So this miner will go from earning $16.32 a day to $16.77 a day. ROI is a whopping 55%, and I'm only paying $12.02 per terahash. Right now is an amazing time to start upgrading your miners on the Go mining platform, simply because we're getting crazy discounts. The ROI is amazing, and it is overall a great deal. Also, the price of Bitcoin is steadily going higher, so these profits are going to become pretty sweet real soon. So this upgrade will cost me 485 Go mining tokens. I have 540, so we are going to press pay, we are going to confirm, and just like that we got an extra 12 terahashes, which is not bad at all. Now we are going to go back to our miners. We are going to refresh the screen, and just like that, we are up to 547.45 terahashes. Not bad at all. I will continue to upgrade my miners to gain even more power to earn even more Bitcoin. If you guys are interested in mining Bitcoin, I do have a link to Go Mining in the description box below. Check it out. I also have a ton of videos on the platform, how to use it, how to earn more, different strategies, all that stuff. So make sure you subscribe and check those other videos out as well. The second way that I earn Bitcoin is with the Gemini credit card. This one is absolutely free. You don't have to invest any of your money, but you can definitely earn a decent amount of Bitcoin. For example, with this credit card, you are able to earn up to 4% back in crypto. They break down the categories. You will get 4% back on gas, EV, and transit. And with the current gas prices, this 4% will stack up very quickly, and that Bitcoin will stack up as well. On dining, you are going to earn 3%, on groceries 2%, and on everything else, you're going to earn 1%. Like I said, this credit card is absolutely free. There are no foreign transaction fees, no annual fees whatsoever. Simply get the credit card, use it, and earn Bitcoin on every single purchase. Also, it is a MasterCard World Elite, so you can use it pretty much anywhere. And did I mention you don't have to stack up on Bitcoin only? With this credit card, you can stack up 50 plus different cryptocurrencies from Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Doge, Chainlink, and so on. So you can stack Bitcoin one month, Ethereum the next, Chainlink the month after, XRP the following month, and you can build a decent crypto portfolio for simply buying stuff you normally buy with your card. Also, they have a couple of different colors. They have the black, pink, silver. They have the Solana version, the XRP version, and the Bitcoin version. It doesn't matter what color you get. They all come with the exact same benefits. And if you use the special Gemini link in the description box below to apply for the card, you can get an extra $250 bonus. So make sure to stack up on that free crypto. The price of Bitcoin goes up and down. And sometimes when we have a slow month and we don't earn much, but the price of Bitcoin goes higher, our value grows as well. That is all I have for this quick little video. If you enjoyed it, press the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, drop those in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Peace out.